Well, good morning everybody. The fact that I'm talking to you now means that we're coming to the end of the year. In fact, we always shoot this a little bit early, and we're actually shooting this on the day of the grade 12 graduation. So we wish them all the very best for their graduation and their bright future ahead. Very busy week next week. Monday we start off with the Continuum STEAM event. This is going to really encourage the students to explore their creativity, their entrepreneurship skills, etc., etc. Now this also doubles as a house event, and at the end of it we're going to be, for the first time, handing this trophy, the Eagles trophy, to the winning house across the continuum. So that will be all the points won by the elementary and all the points won by the high school put together. So that's Monday. Tuesday we get to have pretty much a normal school day. But Wednesday we celebrate at 2 o'clock the graduation of our PYP6 and their beginnings and transitioning to the high school. Thursday is another very, very busy day. At 10 o'clock we have the early years celebration. I think that's the word we would use for it. And then at 2 o'clock we have the completion ceremony for MYP. Okay, so that's our grade 10s. So look, a really busy week, but at the end of it all, let's reflect on what's been a wonderful year, a very full, busy year full of enthusiastic contributions from staff, students, and let's not forget the PSG and the growing influence of the alumni. It's been a fabulous year. We wish you all the very, very best, and look forward to seeing you at the start of next year. Have a great day.